Wish I had words to say that could in some way express the warmth of your tender love, the thrill of your sweet caress. Love so amazing, so divine, love never changing, rich and rare, defies any words my heart can find. Your love is beyond compare. Roses of fairest bloom, violets of purest hue, the fragrance of sweet perfume, oceans of azure blue, the radiance of a summer's day, white clouds floating on the crystal air, but all pale beside your love. Your love is beyond compare, beyond every song that human voices have ever sung, beyond any word that human tongue could ever speak, higher than the highest, furthest mountain peak, and deeper than the deepest ocean currents flow, more than any human heart can know, purer than the freshest driven snow. And yet you did condescend to travel our rugged road, companion of humble men, bearing our heavy load. And with undying sympathy, you dry every tear, ease every care. I worship your majesty. Your love is beyond compare,
beyond every song that human voices have ever sung, beyond any word that human tongue could ever speak, higher than the highest, furthest mountain peak, deeper than the deepest ocean currents flow, more than any human heart can know,
more than the freshest driven snow.
and yet you did condescend to travel our rugged road, companion of humble men, bearing our heavy load. And with undying sympathy, you dry every tear, ease every care. I worship your majesty. Your love is beyond compare.